Okay, so Tim's sawing up this log. Looked at the butt, didn't see any staining or anything. But look what he found. He's hoping maybe it's a bullet or lead or something.
Yeah, it's a bullet.
Look at that. Whoops, wait a minute. I can't find you. You're in the shade, that's why I can't see. There we go. Huh. So that means it didn't hurt your blade?
Not as bad as steel, I guess.
Cool.
For sure. The metal jacket, I mean, it wasn't any good for it, that's for sure. But
Okay. Real good.
must have went in there a long time ago, because I don't, unless it went in this way and flipped, who knows.
Finding bullets in the logs. In the trees.